How's it going, everybody? Once again, back here with the GPX TSE250R, and I got a product in, another product. So Style 2 Extreme Enduro front Tugger strap, thetugger.com. If you can all see that, that's the it's the original Tugger, man. These guys are awesome. They support our trails. They're smaller than you think. They're out of North Logan, Utah. So I highly recommend you all support these folks. I bought this, and I bought a rear one that we'll take a look at in another video, but these videos are short. Let's go ahead and install this. But yeah, support these guys, Highland Recreation, because they support our trails and keeping them open. So it's a good company. This is what you got. You got a nice handle. It's round. It's not like the old ones where it was just flat material like on my gas. It actually has a round back to it. It's pretty solid, and that's going to help people just say, hey, I got a Tugger or I got a strap. Most people will know, and they'll look for it and they'll help pull you. Otherwise you get guys grabbing your fender, your light. Man, I've had people grab weird places, and not in a good way. Not in a way that would make my wife angry, unfortunately. But yeah, you'll want to take your Tugger strap. You can even get embroidery. They'll do embroidery. So if you want it to say your name or your website or something, I mean, it has to be within reason, right? But they can stitch that in here. That costs extra, but they can do it. I'll show you that on my gas. That's an older strap, but I'll show you that at the end. You also get zip ties, it looks like. Not quite sure what the zip ties are for, but I don't typically read directions, so we'll set those to the side. Pretty straightforward though. You just take the end here. If you have your forks off for some reason, you could just slide it right on. So it will buckle out there. And then on the inside, like so. And that's how you'll have that. That way it's not flapping around. You take that, you'll go behind stuff like your cables. You go around your fork there. Now, I'm thinking it through. You can do a couple ways. I could go here lower, then that way somebody's pulling up. It can't slide, and it's not going to slide down because of the fender. It's going to be a preference thing. I typically have them up, so I'm just going to stick with that. But you get what I mean. If I put it below this lower clamp, then if somebody was pulling up a steep hill, I mean, I don't think it's going to anyways, but I suppose it could slide up. So we'll go like that. Go back through the inner one, and then we'll just go just like that, just for the time being. Keep it loose. Then I'll go to the other side. So other side, same deal. Just undo, push it through, pull that end out, pull that end out. Feel around when you go, make sure there's no cables back there. Come back around, go through the outer slot, and then go through the inner slot. And there we have it. You can kind of take a look to, that's about the same from there. And then I can decide, you know, how tight I want to make everything, how far out I want this. There's a lot of stuff you can decide on. So, let's see. Let's go a little tighter here. So I'm gonna push more through the outer slot. Take up the slack in the inner. I think that's probably going to be pretty dang good. And then I can make it tighter there. Then I'll go back around the right side. Or sitting on the bike, actually this would be the left side, excuse me. So I will do the same thing. Take up slack here, or yeah, sun that out, and take the inner slot, tighten it, and then just slide that back, and there we have it. Not too shabby, and then that's how it would look. It would just look just like this. It sits out here. It sits out here for anyone to grab. Just word of advice is, when you have one of these, just point it out right away. Because when you see the person going for your bike, where to grab, a lot of people don't know what these are. So just say, hey, I got a strap, and point to it, and then they'll see it, and then they'll pull. Otherwise, I've had people, I have this on, and their hand is like here or here, you know, it's like, no, I got a strap, pull from that, thanks. And always thank the person for helping you. But yeah, these are awesome. So hopefully you liked the short little video on a product I got in that I bought. I bought this isn't a sponsor. So please look up the Tugger straps, and I'll provide the links in the description. And they're awesome supporters of our trails. They give back as much as they can. A lot of people think these companies are huge. They're not huge. It's your mom and pop type shop making a great product and giving back to the trails. So again, thanks for watching, and hit that notification bell, and please like and subscribe, and you all stay well, my friends. Have a good one. Bye.